In this quick tutorial in Google Docs, we're going to be showing you how to change text capitalization. So let's say you have a word typed out here, or a sentence. All you're going to need to do to change the text capitalization is go ahead and highlight. You're going to want to come up to the formatting selection menu. We can hover over text, and there should be a drop down for capitalization where we can simply change it to all lowercase. If we wanted to change that, we can come back and we can change it to all uppercase. Or if you'd like, we can change it to title case, which is going to capitalize the first letter of each word. So this is a very great, simple way to be able to navigate through your Google Docs with more speed when you're creating paragraphs, titles, and any sort of text that needs to be formatted. So hopefully this helped. You guys can use that. There's a whole series on Google Docs within this channel, so I inspire you to check that out. Subscribe if you haven't already for simple, quick, effective tutorials that will help you with various softwares online and offline. And drop your comments below if you have any additional questions.